Want to know how to create these so super cute table decorations or mantelpiece or wherever you want to put them? I'm going to show you right now. This is going to be a really cute little project. I have some bowls here that I got from the dollar store. In this one, in this one, I'm just going to put a little bit of sand at the bottom. And a little bit more. Yeah, these were, I think, they were like $1.99 each little bowl. I think this is meant to be a martini glass. But I thought they'd make really cute little table decorations. All right, so that's good for the sand. In this one, I'm just gonna chuck away my sand. In this one, I'm gonna put pebbles. Do we want a broken pebble? Probably not. Okay. So cute. And I've got these stickers from China, and they give you an example on one of them. I can show you this. So you place them on different layers of resin. So this one's going to have, like, it'll probably be full to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You put them on in that order, and between each one, you put another layer of resin. And there are some plants too, although I'm thinking I might use some like fake plants that I've got instead. So let me mix the resin, and once I've done one layer of resin on these, we'll come back and start applying the stickers. Okay, the first layer of resin is set, and now it's time to choose the fish. I'm going to put 2 fish in this one, and the way you determine that, I'm not going to use those, is take the biggest picture, biggest and widest. So this fish would fit in, but will I notice it that well? Oh, this one. And then that's wide. I could do a little one. Do you know what I'm going to start? I'm going to start with a little one. So you just take your stickers, peel it off, and then place it where you know it's going to fit. So this one can go here. That one, and then get cloth or piece of towel, make sure that's all rubbed down. And then I think the other fish I'm going to put in is this one. So that means its starter body has to go here. Yep. And make sure all the bubbles are out. It's well down. And then put a thin coat of resin on and wait for that to dry overnight. I'm going to spread that around, pop the air bubbles. All right, so we'll wait for that to dry and then we'll come back and do the next sticker. They are finished. So this project does take about 5 days because you've got to do lots of different layers, and they are just so cute. I don't know if you can see them as well from the side, but there they are, my little fishes. And hey, Penny, Penny, there's my doggies, Penny and Baby. Baby. Hi, see? Penny only comes when I call Baby because she gets jealous, and there's Baby through the leaves. Baby, say hi, my little lion. Hi. You're just too cute. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is a really fun project, and try it. The stickers I got off Amazon, my link below, and I'll see you in my next vid. Bye.